Hi guys, welcome back to Drawing Land for Kids, and today we're going to be drawing a strawberry smoothie in a glass. So let's go ahead and get started. The first thing you want to do is draw a curved line for the top of your glass. Now we're going to draw a line coming down, and then we're going to curve it for the bottom of the glass and do the same thing on the other side. Draw a line coming down and start curving it. And then you do want to connect them together. When you're ready, draw a curved line on both sides. And draw a round line connecting together. When you're ready, draw a curved, wavy line for the smoothie. And now I'm going to go in and draw my straw sticking out. So we're going to draw two diagonal lines. I'm going to extend this one a little bit, and now I'm going to go this way and use straight lines to finish off my straw. This is a see-through glass, so you're going to be able to see the lines and the straw showing through. When you're ready, just take a curved line and start drawing these curved lines on your straw to make it look more real. Okay, now we're ready for the strawberries and our whipped cream. I'm going to start with the strawberries. I'm going to draw a curved line. Now I want these strawberries to overlap, so I'm going to draw another curved line right over here. And these two are going to be my strawberries, so I'm just going to add the little stem using like a zigzag line. And do the same thing over here. And I'm going to go inside when you're ready and draw little teardrop shapes. You can also do dots, but I'm using like a teardrop shape for the seeds. And just go all over your strawberry and add as many as you want. When you're ready, we're going to draw the whipped cream. So let's go ahead and draw a curved line. And now I'm going to draw another curved line going up. Draw a curved line, curving it down. Draw another curved line, have it go down, and just keep adding more curved lines. For this last part, I'm just going to connect it back to the glass. When you're ready, let's go ahead and draw some little bubbles. But I'm not going to do anything in the center because that's where I want to draw the face. We're going to be drawing a cute little face in the center. But let's go ahead and draw little bubbles for our smoothie. Okay, when you're ready for the face, let's go ahead and draw a circle. And this eye is winking, so we're just going to draw a sideways letter V. And for the eyebrows, we're just going to draw a little eyebrow. For the mouth, we're going to give it a little smile using a curved line. And a little tongue sticking out to make it look cute. When you're ready, we're going to draw a circle up here for the eye. And a little circle here for the highlight in the eye. And then I'm just gonna shade everything in black, except for those 2 circles. There we go. I think I'm going to extend this line going this way a little bit. Now, if you want, you can go in and add little sprinkles all over your whipped cream for some extra detail. And there you have it, strawberry smoothie. I'll be back with the colored version, guys. Okay guys, here's the final version, and I did use my iPad to color it in digitally, but you guys can use whatever you have at home. And if you enjoyed, please like and subscribe and share, and see you in the next video. Thanks for drawing with me. Bye-bye.